Hello Harry, this is Jason with Oxitec Labs. I'm going to show you the valve that we are making the parts, and I'm going to disassemble it so you understand the philosophy. The spare parts that were sent do not work. We need to have a better sample. I will explain later within the video. I will remove this piece now and the top portion from here. Okay, this is the top portion. This is the motor. I remove it, and here we have the two plastic gears that you are making for us. The plastic gears that you sent us don't seem to have a problem, although I will illustrate where the problem is. This is the bottom disc, the white one that you sent us. This is your disc. It looks identical, but I will explain what the problem is. This is the original disc, and these are the bushings that press against the white disc like this. This surface needs to be completely flat along with the surface of the bushing. And also on the top we have the same configuration. We need the bushings here to be completely flat and the surface of this disc here to be completely flat. Your sample is not flat, and we are having a problem with a leaky valve. So you have to run a test again. If you want, I can send you a valve so you can see it there, or maybe you can send me a different sample, because all the samples that you sent me, only the gears work fine. The gears are okay. And this is the bushing. This is the factory bushing, and this is your bushing. It does not fit properly. It needs to be flush. Like this. You can see the movement of the valve of the springs. Go left and right, over here to the left, over here to the right. But we also must maintain the flush surface on the bottom. Otherwise, if this surface and this surface is not completely flush, level, then we have a problem with the valve leaking. I will assemble the valve. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Goes this way. And as the valve turns like this, the bushings here press against the top disc. Over here and here, the bushings press against the top disc, and the lower bushings press against the bottom disc. So the surface must be completely flat on the discs that you sent me, and they do not work. I hope this video helps. If you have any comments, I am showing you the final assembly. So now you have a better understanding how the valve works and what needs to be done for the samples. Okay, this is the valve again assembled. Air comes in through this way, comes out through this way, and then stops after 10 seconds and pushes air from the other side, but this side must not put out air. So I'm showing you that when the valve goes in direction A, it pushes air from here, and this part must be dead, no airflow. And the input. This is exhaust. I don't worry about this. If this works, then this will work, so you don't have to worry about it. I hope this video was quality enough for you to understand that we need better samples to be flush. There are small cracks here and here, and as the valve rotates, it is very difficult for this to keep it airtight. So this must be perfect, like a mirror, like the mirror in the toilet when you watch your face. Same also for this side. If you go like this with your nail, it creates a problem. It must be flat like glass. Thank you very much, Harry. I look forward to waiting for your response.